Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, that being said, you will need a cable for this that is plugged into specifically your computer. And next we're going to simply connect it. Once it's connected, turn off your device. And when it goes black, you want to hold the power button and volume up at the same time. In a couple seconds, we should see the Samsung logo, and after a second longer, it will appear with Galaxy under it, at which point you want to let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. This will then redirect us to the recovery mode, so in here, using volume buttons, you want to scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset, and then confirm it with the power button, and confirm this process by selecting Factory Data Reset. It will give you at the bottom message Data Wipe Complete, at which point Reboot System Now will be selected by default, so press power button once again to initiate a reset. And you can also unplug the cable. It was only needed to get us into the recovery mode. Now, that being said, while it's resetting the phone, this will take it a bit longer, like a minute to turn on, so just be patient. Once the reset is completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, it's now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.